Isn't this neat? Just to sit here and watch wildlife at its finest. Just drinking away. Not knowing that I'm watching them. And this is usually where I sit. Right back here. I'm gonna sit in my chair. I usually have my iPad out here, and I'm looking at other YouTube channels. I know a lot of you don't like the long videos, but I love the long videos. It replaces TV for me. I mean, nothing against TV, but lately nothing really intrigues me. And I love gardening shows, YouTube channels, just the information, and it's fun to find out what other people are doing. That's just, it's amazing. Everybody has these little tips that you kind of learn from. And you're like, oh, you know, I never thought about that. And this is my de-stressor. Hard day of work, come back here, sit. Oop, looks like he's got company. Wonder if that's the mom, because that looks, oh, look. Is that not cool? So plump. Oh, there they go. I just love that. Just seeing if, on this one too, every day they're coming and going. That was, I'm sorry, I thought that was really cool. My only complaint is, that's my view there. So at least I can kind of look off to this side, which is pleasant, and then, but I do it for my nieces and nephews. They love it. And I mean, I do too. There's days I get done with work, and I work outside, and I come home and I'm like, I can't wait to get in the pool. But thought I'd just show you that little bit there. I'm just surprised I caught it and that I had my video camera out here. Bye for now.